Monica, you'll only hurt yourself if you continue like this. It's time you picked up the pieces of yourself and forge ahead. This is not the end of the road for you.
The end of the road be this. Papa, just buy like that. Me, I never even finished school. My sisters, I still day school. Then in babe, my man, was supposed to assist now. He said just delete. Everybody, you delete yourself.
Oh, I understand. I understand you very well, but it's not enough reason to start killing yourself with worries and thinking.
He rich. I calculate my journey. I want to pick up now. What I go do now? They calculate so.
Monica, God is able to do all things. That is why you have us here. Eh? Why are we close friends?
For your nervous, now be us.
You're my friend.
Who be we?
Are we not friends?
How you burn your face talking like that? Like say you mean now? How me and you take be friends? I just gonna beg you. I know there for that matter. This road we want to pass come now. You know walk, no space for there. I beg. Just carry your load. They go where they come from.
Monica, there are beverages I brought for you to at least assist you and your siblings. Eh? Look at it. I have juice, I have bread, I have custard. Eh?
Why you won't give me custard and juice? Because when our house soon, the house now you there now when I take patch things together. Why you won't give me custard? I beg, I don't want. The thing where you go give me, why I go take payback? I no get to take pay back.
Momo, I'm not saying you should.
I say I no get. Which one? Waiting be that one now? Where you carry one sardine come, one sardine and this big custard. How will take chop now? Sardine and this big custard. Because he bring milk, you no bring milk. What do they drink?
When you finish it, I will buy another one. Eh? I'll buy another one for you people.
I beg. I know they for this matter. Carry this thing, go give your sisters there. Now how's all of us there? Momo, they call me that name, I beg. Momo, you carry sardine go out.
If you finish this one, I will.
One sardine and big custard. I will take it down. Carry and go. Go get your sister.
I don't know if you want to see Aquala. Eh? Eh? I should go and take care of my siblings. Did I tell them? Did I tell her that my siblings are hungry?
Why are you so loquacing? Are you okay? Why are you acting up? What's the problem?
So Belinda, it's now a crime to watch a friend's back. Eh? It's now an evil thing to care for a friend who is in trouble. No, tell me. How is it a crime?
Which friend are you talking about? Who needs help? Who is in trouble? I don't understand.
Okay, just look at the things I bought for Monica to at least help her in some ways. But she walked out on me in this then. Treated me as if I'm a fugitive who missed his way. Is it right? No, Belinda, is it right?
No, you missed your way. Even the way you're talking, you really missed your way. Are you okay? No, Fred, are you alright? So this is the reason you called me out here to tell me this rubbish? You think I'm jobless like you? I was actually doing something inside and you called me out here to tell me this rubbish.
Belinda, how do you mean now?
Monica is grieving for crying out loud. Monica just lost her parents. And here you are bringing beverages for her. Are you kidding me? Monica is just a friend like you said. And the is her right to accept or reject gifts from you. What is wrong with you? Stop disturbing that girl. Or are you saying you're lovers? You and Monica, are you guys dating?
Belinda, I didn't say so. And I understand very well, but it won't be out of place to admit that, considering the level of our closeness.
Closeness. You just heard yourself. You people are just close. You people are just friends. Not dating. Are you dating? I can see that you're dating her in your dreams, right? In your head, you're dating her, right? Monica is not dating you. You're only dating yourself. Next time, Fred, don't call me out for this nonsense again. You know I'm a very busy person. Don't call me out for this nonsense again. What nonsense?
Okay, Belinda, what I'm saying is not serious. Tell me, if you were the one, if they buy all these beverages for you, will you reject it? Will you? Bob and some, I should go and take care of my siblings. Did I tell her that my siblings are hungry?
Brother, but I would have to. Good afternoon, brother. But are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
I don't think you are okay. Do you know how long I stood here watching you? And you didn't even hear the number of greetings I gave to you. No, you are not okay, brother.
It's work stress, Jare. It's work stress. I'm fine. Why didn't you go to school today? What happened?
But I was chased though because of school fees.
You was chased because of school fees.
Brother, you got...
Is it everything you see that belongs to you? Yala, is begoli. Let me not see your hand here.
Anything that belongs to you belongs to all of us in this house.
Anything that belongs to me belongs to all of us in this house. Okay, this one is not mine. By the way, what do you even mean by you were chased out from school because of school fees? Haven't I given you the money?
But
haven't I paid your fees?
But I used it and tidy up my inter-house sports things. You know now, brother.
Oh, you used it to tidy up your inter-house sports, Gene?
Inter-house sports things.
Inter-house sports things. At the expense of your school fees. Come and collect another money from me, let me see.
Brother.
Come, get out.
I no just understand this kind of thing. How 12 now just delete like that? You know, even be considered say I want to manage. When I want begin to start from now. Begin to pay these children school fees. Begin to advise with me I don't even know. I don't even think of the load where person go carry. So I just delete. You know the see wetin dey happen for here? You know the see wetin dey happen for here? Abeg. See wetin dey do e good? This thing wey Baba do so e good? Other people go die, they go leave estate, they go leave business, leave plenty money for their children. This one just delete. You don't leave anything. You don't leave problem and school fees for me.
So don't worry, I can drop part of school too.
Abeg shut up, no make me vex for you. I dey bad mood.
What wrong have I done now?
You dey talk nonsense now. I dey ask for advice how to take train you go school. You just come here and dey come talk nonsense.
Okay, fine. I will not drop out again, but this whole thing is frustrating. Oh God.
Abeg no pinch my body. No pinch my body.
baby. Stop crying.
And the vex not pinch my body.
Oh.
I enjoy it.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like the party?
Wait. Where did you get the money to buy all this thing? The same time your container have landed though.
Yeah, so my container that was on the IC just landed. My senior boss bought them, so I have to bring them for you. My sugar.
Wait, it belongs to your senior brother. Did he give it to you or you stole it?
Guy, which kind of rubbish stop is this one now? I took them. I did not steal it. Can someone steal from his family?
I'm trying to understand if he knew that you took this. Like, did he give it to you? Like, did you take it with his consent? That's what.
Which kind of question be this one now? He bought it for someone who doesn't need it, and he don't want those that need it to have it. So I have to secure it now for judicious consumption. So is anything wrong with that?
Everything is wrong with it, Mary. Not for you. Why would you take something that belongs to your elder brother without his consent? See, he will be really mad at you right now. This is the person that puts your bill.
Okay, I'm sorry for being stupid.
Wait. Now you going. Keep it since you've already moved it. I mean, you've already taken it from your elder brother. Let's just finish it up.
See you. Wilbur, I will judge you.
Next time, don't take it without him knowing.
Faith, where are the things I kept in the parlor? Nobody should use it to play with me because I will not take it from anybody. Where are the bag of beverages I kept in the parlor now? Where are they?
What bags? And what beverages are you talking about?
Where is Mary? Where is she?
Since I returned from lectures, I haven't seen her.
Oh my God, oh my God. Better not be what I'm thinking. It should be better not be what I'm thinking because if it is, I will kill her with punches.
So, brother, if it is what you are thinking, you are going to kill your mother's last child because of provision.
Hold it there. Just hold it there, Faith. As if I have not been toiling myself to breaking point to make sure you both are comfortable in this house. See, you better not be part of the plan because if you are, I won't look back to visit you with some punishment she will receive. Arrant nonsense. I don't
know anything about your bag.
Don't pray you are not part of the plan. I will show you pepper in this house.
At least you're happy you're coming. You really helped me. Thank you.
I've told you to stop crying. Crying will not solve anything at all.
Belinda, you had.
I know. You are the strongest lady I have ever met in my entire life.
No press my move button. The matter I had, I just gather myself.
I know. Even your mood could not let me say the thing that brought me to your house.
What's it?
Monica is Fred though. Fred complained bitterly the way you treated him when he came to the house.
Now that matter I carry can't tell you. I go call and make I warn him. I don't like that kind of thing.
No. Why will you call him? He didn't do anything wrong bringing things to your house.
He not do anything wrong. Go let's say their family they hustle. We don't join the hustle business. I say make a carry and go give his sisters for house. I not even vex say na only one side. And they come bring million, no put milk. That one even what's because me and milk. Na milk they do me.
Monica. Monica, Fred has affection for you. He loves you.
They come begin, they go your house, so I see me here, so I not bleach you. They see my hand. Look, my hand pretty black. They match. I beg, come they go. Come they go. My man just died. They go, we go see.
He loves you.
I beg, go. Hey, come stand for this side. Stand for this side, Nana. Is that now where they come from when you dress like this now?
Auntie, do good.
Which one will I answer first? Anyway, I am an adult. And I don't think I'm answerable to you or anyone.
I go slap you, Nana. I go throw you slap now. If I throw you slap, here, you should go her. Now me they talk like that. You never reach 1 week when your mama die. You don't begin they dress like a shower, they go everywhere. Now what did they do you?
Auntie Monica, you dare not to. You dare not. I took it from mom, but I will not let you choke life out of me. If you try it, I will give you fire for fire.
It is spit from my eye.
Clean it.
It choke. No, they don't go like that. Oh yeah, go slap me. Go slap me. I don't fear you. Oh yeah.
I'm putting my other sister out. This me alone, no. But I'm like, leave me alone, no. Leave me alone, no. Sister, you into her. You want to kill her because of provision things.
Faith, leave me. Let me teach this girl some good lesson of her life. Let me do that.
Hey, so you want to kill her because of material things, but you know you still treat her with your money.
Sister, leave him. Let him kill me. Let me see you buy things for that girl Monica again. I will still carry it and sell and still use the money for myself. When last do you buy provision in this house? Brother?
Will you shut up your dirty mouth?
Faith, you see that this girl still have the mouth to talk.
She's just a child.
She still have the guts to talk.
She's just a child, please.
Brother!
No challenges, no champion, no trials, no testimonies. Just be focused. Don't mind the circumstances. They are to pull you down. Be focused. Don't mind distractions.
Why you stretch like that? You be snake? What do you do? Which one you gonna turn like wrestler? What is this bag? You don't tire? Yeah, you're rest now.
Sister, like, you know what's on my mind? It's been long I've been enjoying the weight of the cassava.
And you're just saying it now. Always express yourself. Don't kill yourself, oh.
I don't tell her. I tell her to make you not follow us come from. You say you must come. I say if something happened to you for them, they go say the bad thing they do now they kill them one by one.
Monica, please, I was meaning to ask, what are you going to do with all this cassava you uprooted?
I'll turn to Gary, I'll sell them. I'll take and start business.
Is that what I wanted to know?
Hey, shut up your mouth. Make this as people do cost strike off, make you go. Man, listen, I'll let you on holiday and meet break, I'm going to see this your mouth.
Monica, but you know that Favor is actually a nice girl.
To be tell her.
Oh yeah, no. As your man don't shop, your power don't come back. Oh yeah. Go again. Let's continue. Oh yeah. Oh. I'll be left hand. Take carry without give person.
Oh, sister is right now.
As the two they face one side, how one.
Thank you.
Come here. I said I want to talk. Come here.
Monica, please stop.
They begin to find my trouble. You still find my trouble.
Now your last body.
No mind that. You know, say before I come sit down here, you see me the drink water. As you go like so nice. Make up.
So Monica, I never wanted to say this in the presence of your sister. What business do you want to go into?
Okay, why they do the cassava? Now Okada.
Okada? Yes. Are you kidding me?
And they clean. People they use that Okada money, they pay house rent for city and for village. So now I want to begin to do so. You want to go pay me now? I want to begin to do.
Monica, please, this can't be true. And who told you it's lucrative, it's good for a lady? Okada business is not good for a lady.
If Okada business, people put food on my table, make I fit take care of myself. This my sister and the other one with the Chris. I be okay. It's not easy. You will be graduate. Why you never get work back? Now I want to do now.
It's not that I have work for you. But this Okada business is a no for me.
My sister, close matter. Now Okada business now one. The thing will go put food for my table now I'm beginning to do now. Okada.
Okada.
Hey.
Why are you headed to like this? Are you not supposed to be in school?
That was just away because of school fees.
Just away because of school fees. I don't understand. Did brother Fred not give you the money the other time? So you did not pay for it?
Since I use the money arranging transport things now.
You mean your Wayek and jump is just by the corner and you use... Oh God. You use the money given to you for inter-house sport fun!
Who I can jump up now? Who get money pass sportsmen and women for this world? Name them. The footballers, golfers, bikers, strikers, and many more. I don't tell you I want to become a celebrity. And I want to go to BB Nigeria. Even that one self, not be who sabi book the winner. Now who gets swag pass the win.
You want to
check
be
me
a
out
celebrity?
now. Sister. They see me.
Celebrity. BBN Niger star.
I mean.
You want to bam bam. You want to chill with the big boys. My friend, will you shut up your mouth and tell me the exact reason why you used your school fee for something else?
Because school don't help anyone. Even those that came first in quiz competition, debates, even math science. Where are they now? How many of them they get the kind of money where BB Nigeria winner they go home with? If you answer me, then I will tell you why I diverted the money.
So you want to be a village champion? You want to be an illiterate? You do not want to go to school, right? You want to be a nitwit? It will not be well with whosoever that is doing this thing to you. Wait, I hope it's not that useless Mike that is deceiving you into all this.
Even if now, it's nobody's business, it's mine. And please stop calling him names, he's my boyfriend.
He's your boyfriend?
Yes.
I am so disappointed in you. My friend, will you get inside and change job now and get to school? Since I don't like this thing, I don't like him.
I'm ready to go.
Baby girl, I wish you wouldn't go.
Well, I have to go.
Fine. Here you go. What is it? Why are you staring at me like that? What is it? Hey, is the money not enough?
Is it always all about the money? It's not. I mean, for how long shall we continue sneaking around in different hotels when you have a comfortable place?
Babe, you were the one who suggested we meet in the hotel. You suggested that we keep it secret and on the low.
Oh, please. That was then, though. That was then. When my parents were still alive. And I was afraid of your ex. But now, I am in. And my parents are no more. So, I'm afraid of nothing.
Okay, well, but we still have to keep it on the low. We still need to trade with caution. I have not fully broken ties with Joy. We just have to be wise about it.
Wait till you talk. What does that mean? Oh, really? So tell me, what am I still doing with you? Huh? What am I still doing with you? You know what? Just double this money. Double it! Because it is obvious my future is not secured with you. Double the money.
Why are you sounding like this now? Why are you talking like this now? Babe, you can't have that. All I have. That's everything I have.
Thank goodness I met you here. Where's Mary?
Mary.
Don't give me that look. Don't just give me that look. You pathetic liar. Now listen to me. Stay away from Mary. Stay away from my sister. Stop deceiving her with your fancy talks of baby Niger, being a celebrity, making her a star. You are not God. Don't make her a star. Oh wait, have you made yourself a star? Have you made yourself a star? I'm talking to you. Stay away from Mary. That girl has an external examination to sit for, and she needs all the concentration in the whole world right now. So stay away from her. Shebi, you are done with your own school. You are done with school. Let Mary finish her education. Leave her alone.
Please, take your warnings to someone else. Did I beg Mary to come and join my modeling agency? Did I? Was she not the one begging and following me around to carry her along? Oh, do you know how many stars that I've made? Do you know how many girls that are flocking around me, begging me to make them superstars? Do you know? What would I be doing with Melly when I have numerous girls at my beck and call?
Just listen to yourself. You are indeed a psychiatric escapee. Oh yes. Do you know how many girls have made stars, superstars? Superstar. See your shoes. See your clothes. See your hair. Superstar. You don't even look like Sue. Talk more of a superstar. Leave Mary alone. And you see that money you took from her? You will vomit it. Oh yes. You will vomit it because that is her school fees. And you know what Brother Fred can do to you now. You know what my brother can do to you if you don't return that money. Leave Mary alone. Leave Mary alone. Don't make her a star. You are not God. Leave her alone. Useless village champion.
I don't even know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about though. Even you have to want Mary to stay away from me. Ask Mary to stay away from me and stop spoiling my name in this village.
Has she gone?
How you take no say she dey come say?
I told you I have 4 eyes. Let's not talk about that one. She did say she did wise.
She was sad.
But you're a bad actor. See you. But she shouldn't have run me down like that.
They are all part of the acting. If I didn't run you down like that, she wouldn't have believed. Let's go continue from where we started.
You never talk anything about that matter me and you talk that day. You never revisit that man know how to plan myself.
Okay. See, I suggest you open a provision store like my own. Maybe you employ a sales girl, put a sales girl there.
And that one now you want to talk?
Yes, now.
How many cassava I get for farm where I want on to Gary to take open shop like your shop? Even if I can't go collect the cassava or fruit them, can't do the Gary, add plenty red oil, the Gary will come dey gold in the color. How much I want to still make inside? I better talk another thing.
Monica, but this is more feminine than the one you wanted to do now.
I feel like say your head need a reboot. As need a reboot, me I tell you me I don't think I'll go learn mechanic.
Mechanic?
Yes, I know him.
You're not serious at all.
Now there I did now, pinned down, unmovable.
Mechanic?
I don't learn and finish. I don't work and finish. It's make I go open shop. How many cassava dey farm? Cassava, as you go my farm, you know see the way I space the cassava one day here, one day here. How many I want grind? Turn to Gary to take open your shop. Talk another thing, I beg. Cassava not even big, that's all of them small.
The mechanic is a no for me.
My sister, I just go beg you. I beg. My hand is black.
Stop them, my friend. Where do you think you are going? And where are you coming back from?
Well, I would have to.
Hold your stupid greeting to yourself. Where are you coming back from? KBC?
I went to see Agnes, my classmate, and to collect her note.
Will you shut up that filthy lying mouth of yours?
Oh, you think I did not see you and your lover boy coming out from your hiding? The way I talk.
One more word from you and I will slap the living hell out of you.
You know, you think you are smart, but you are actually very stupid. You've lost all your senses in one's brain. You don't have brain anymore. Go ahead playing with your destiny. What did you say you did with the money I gave you for your fees? What happened to it?
Okay, I used it to buy things for my inter-house course. And you know I'm representing my house in sprinting and long jump. That's
Brother Fred, inter-house sports. School fees, oh! You see what I'm talking about?
Or you gave it to Mike? Okay, fine and good. Let's assume you are telling the truth. Let's assume you are telling me and Faith the truth. Now that you've been set out from school because of your fees, will you still represent your house? Miss Sprinter and Long Jumper. Nenu kweja will jump. Beating leg, uku beating.
No, up and down.
And why will jump? Get out.
So you can actually be quiet without saying a word.
Where is the money? I'm asking you. Mary.
So that's when I will speak. Come back here. Come back here.
ATL I'm also.
You want to use that her life. You will not bring shame to this family. You will not bring shame to this family.
ATL I'm
To
also.
Fiakwa. Useless girl.
I want to check the salt in this soup at all. I want to check the salt. Hey. See, it's nice now. Madam. Now where you come from? Now yesterday now you come up for this house. Where you come from?
Excuse me. Am I supposed to answer that question or what?
You must answer that question.
Well, I do not think I am answerable to you.
Sister,
You don't go fit enter inside this house. You must tell me where you come from since yesterday. Your nonsense done too much.
I know why I did this gra. It's because you know I cannot pick a fight with you. You know. Well, I do not want to be counted amongst those who made you drop out of school. Eunice, this race is personal. Run yours while I run mine. Excuse me.
You know what you talk now?
please don't take her serious, please. Don't take her serious.
You know what you come for in matter now?
Please don't take her serious.
No, but you know what you talk now?
Stop, please.
This one man up and of course. You know what you come for in matter now?
Please don't start. You know you've been friends with all this happen, please.
You just nobody there. You person what they insult me for. You know what you come for in matter?
Sister Eunice, you know that was so harsh.
Who was harsh? Oh, She has sent you, isn't it? You both will not get me. You won't get me.
What you did out there was wrong. And you just have to admit it. I'm going to apologize to Sister Monica. People know she means well to us.
Are you alright? Who just spoke? So tell me, who doesn't mean well for others? Me?
You know exactly that that's not what I mean. Simple courtesy and respect would have been much more better.
Hey. Anyway, you are so lucky I am not in the mood. My mood now is eating mood. I don't have your mood right now. Anyway, take one for yourself and go and give her one. If you both don't want to eat, you can as well leave it. By the way, I don't even know how I managed to get the money I used in buying the food. Since telling my own sister not to drop out of school because of me is now a crime. No problem. I will soon leave this house for you both to enjoy it. Leave my sight. I said you should leave my sight. Carry the... Okay, you don't want to eat. Yeah. Very well then. You're not yet hungry.
Oga Jambu.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, how are you? Oga Jambu, good afternoon.
Afternoon. Belinda.
Sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What took you so long now? I would have even left the shop since, if not for one customer that called I should finish his stuff.
Okay. Oga Jambu, we actually attended to something, so we didn't know it would take much of our time.
Okay. That's okay. What about the apprentice?
She's here. She's my friend. Her name is Monica.
Why you didn't tell me it was a girl you were bringing? You know the kind of job I do here. It's not a job for ladies now.
Oga Jambu, I understand. But forget about her. You see this, my friend Monica. She's a man in a woman body. She will shock you, I promise.
Oga, she no lie. You just talk as it be so now. Forget about the content now. Now the content. Woman they behave like man now waiting. Now man. I tell you the truth though. I tell you the truth.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
But you know, this job is not really woman job.
Oga, you go shock. I be man wey get breast oh. As you see me like say I be man. You just be say hey, I just get breast. I be man.
I don't hear this thing several times, but at the end of the day, I was disappointed.
You go see her, sir. You go see her. I be man oh. I get baby but you know the show. I just be man wey get breast and shape. Na man I be.
If that's the case, I'll write out the requirements and give to Belinda. Then I'll tell her when you start.
Thank you so
thank
much.
You, Oga, man, you be. I be dey think am again for good. You see, my time don't come. Everywhere don't dry. See as my skin dry, white. See my elbow white self. I never rub cream. But tell me which they make I start so that I go now. I'll take the prepare myself.
Monica, you heard him now. He said we should wait now. He will call us and I'll tell you. Oh?
No, Belinda, let her be. I love her, that ginger. That's the spirit, yeah. If that's the case, since your ginger as in the way you want to, I can see.
I saw you go be around me. I saw you go be.
Belinda, this your friend is funny.
Very funny.
Okay. Okay, tomorrow, you can start tomorrow.
Shut up, Oga. Let me that. Thank you, sir.
While I will write out the requirements and give to her.
I don't let you down. I don't let you down.
When I see this your friend, she will put more life in this.
Yes.
Oga, na man wey get breast now. Na man wey get breast now.
Monica. Thank you, Oga Jambu. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
I will write out the requirements. But you can start tomorrow, no problem.
Thanks, sir.
I start tomorrow. Belinda, all right, I will see you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, Oga Jambu.
Good day, Mr. Mike.
Good day, Phil. This one came to my house. I hope all is well.
Mr. Mike, all will be well if you adhere to my warning. And that what I heard is not true.
What did you hear? And does it have anything to do with it?
Of course it has everything to do with you, Mike. Mike, did you collect money from my little sister Mary?
who is about to write her WAEC and JAMB exams, all in the name of hooking her up with Big Brother Naija? Did you or did you not?
Oga Fred, I have to answer you this question in two ways. As you can see, I run a modeling agency, and my company is registered with Corporate Affairs Commission. I hook people up with any form of entertainment they want, any form of entertainment show. See, as you can see, it's a legitimate business. So I don't force people to come and register with me. Of course, I don't do that, and I can't go about asking my clients how they source their fund.
Mr. Mike, you just confirmed that you collected money from her. And I want to warn you to return that money before the end of today. Huh? Else, Mr. Mike, you will have to explain to the police why your affairs doesn't have a corporate office with verifiable address, as in the certificate of incorporation. Oh. You think you are smart? Eh? Mike, you think you are smart? Ibu okoro drone na. Okoro drone cable, nothing come out. Let me not see that money. You are a thief.
Which kind of wahala be this now? This Mary of a girl self. I want leg migration. No, I can't stand this guy.
Cheers. Cheers to
good life.
Nice, beautiful love making as well. You know, I like that part now.
I know.
To more money.
Yeah, I love money.
I need to take care of you with money, you know. That's a fine wine.
Who is she?
Who is who?
Don't give me that crap. I know you're seeing someone else. And if you know what is good for you, you better start talking now. Or
what? Or what? No, I just want to understand. Or what? What is wrong with you? You started listening to lies from your friends, right? I am the man in this relationship and not the other way around. Do you understand? Like, if you started listening to gossip from your friends and lies, and you feel there's something you need to know, you have to come politely and directly to me and ask. If there's an answer to it, I'll give you. But if there's not, I will not tolerate you posing as the man in this relationship. Do you understand?
Mr. Man, this is not time to mature up. Huh? You better start talking before it's late for the antidotes. I poisoned your drink.
What? You did what, yeah? You poisoned my drink? No, for what? You're joking, Joy. You're not serious about this.
You're still denying it? Huh? I think it's time I let you die.
If I'm going to die, you are going to die with me. Do you understand? Don't you poison my drink. I'm going to kill you and we will die together.
No, I did not poison the drink. No, I did not. I did not. Get your hands off me.
That joke was expensive. That joke was expensive. Don't make such jokes with me. Do you understand?
Come on. You nearly choked me to death. I did not poison the drink. I only wanted to know if
you only wanted to know what? Don't try that with me next time. Don't ever. Don't joke with my life.
I only wanted to know.
Don't do that next time.
I was actually like nowhere.
And you're rushing and also nervous. You know you are not a good liar and pretender. So baby, tell me, where are you going to?
Is he not your brother? Please, I need to go and get his money for him, and I don't want you to also be seen around me.
Really? Is this really who you are? Is this the love you promised me? Is this how you want to help me become a star?
It's not like that. Your brother is full of trouble. I don't have strength. I don't have strength to fight him.
Are you not man enough? Or is this your business a scam?
God forbid. How can you say a thing like that? My business is not a scam. It's a legitimate modeling company registered with the CAC. Come on. Just that your brother's troubles, they are too much.
Fine. Don't worry about my brother. I can handle him. I don't want anybody to come in between you and I and my baby Niger dream.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Let's go inside.
The syrup was not pure, just a day. Remember, say, a patient dog, eat the fattest bird.
Ogami, you don't come?
Yes, so let me check what you're doing.
I don't pull the pipe. I have to
Okay.
come out and remain.
Okay. Nice.
One drunk, come out.
That's why I said, let me check what you're doing. But you're doing it well.
Okay, not stress yourself.
Just keep working.
Not even give yourself BP. This matter now, my HQ, this is my headquarters now. Take do one. Man, you know what? This one go good past the other one.
As you say, I know you know the work.
I just to come out that pipe where they under. It's
No
not too
problem.
big.
I'll confirm all when you finish working, but just keep working. Let me see one of my major customers. He just called. Let me check his vehicle.
No problem, sir.
I just keep working. That's the other thing very well.
Don't waste your saliva. This speech where they your mouth, not waste time.
Baby girl. Oh,
What's oosh, baby girl? Why would you keep me standing here waiting for you? You're just so lucky. I was about coming to your house.
Why would you do a thing like that? You know that would be suicidal.
What more suicidal than keeping me waiting for you here for over an hour? I was calling you, you were not even taking my calls.
I was having issues with Joy. She found out about us. I was even going to ask you how that happened.
What kind of stupid question could that have been? I should be asking you that who is still seeing her. I should ask you that. How careless have you been?
Are you throwing back this question at me?
No, I am throwing it back at my late parents. You know what? I am sick and tired of playing second fiddle to one monkress. She keeps enjoying the luxury of your home while you sneak around from one hotel to another with me like a whore. No way. To your house, we move.
You're not serious about this.
You have not seen anything this year.
But baby, this is disastrous. Look, there's another way.
Hey! Come back here. Where are you coming from
And what is the rubbish of greeting me and frowning face about?
Nothing.
If you give me that attitude, I'll break your head. Where are you coming from?
Brother, just get ready to kill and bury me, because I don't want to live again. Just kill me. Since you don't want to leave me do what I know that will help me in future. I know if Daddy were to be alive, he wouldn't stop me from achieving my dream.
I should just kill you and bury you. Eh? Just listen to yourself. I should just kill you and bury you. What nonsense are you even talking about? Because I didn't allow you waste your life with that criminal Mike. Eh? That boy that is going about deceiving girls with his baseless connections. Now you want me to kill you and bury you alive. Eh, kwa?
Brother, stop calling him names so. You know he has raped many girls. People like Erica, Tasha. And you know school is not my thing. And after the whole thing now, one will not get any good.
Shut up there. Shut up. You shut up there before I shut it permanently for you. Eh? So this is what he has been feeding you with. So this is the lies he has been feeding you with. Eh? That Nikon poop. That fool. Nah.
Brother.
Nah.
He's not feeding me with any lies. How much is the salary of our principal? Even you that graduated with good grades. How much do you have? And we are here, still suffering. Tell me, how many lawyers, doctors and engineers can make the money Lekon made in just 3 months in baby Nigeria? Abego, just leave me alone or I'll just kill myself.
Hey, look at you. You are comparing yourself with Lekon. See, in Nagokwa, you have gone. You have gone. You better face your studies, so you better face your studies. Tomorrow now, when you fail, you start blaming the government and start saying, last school na scam. Last education na scam. Education is not scam, oh. Better wise up.
Good morning.
Stop it. Keep your deceitful greeting to yourself. Keep it to yourself. Look, this must stop, oh. This has to stop. This is the last time I'll follow you to any rubbish hotel. I won't do it again. It is high time you chose between your stupid ex-girlfriend and I. I'm not going to do it again. She keeps enjoying your house while you sneak around with me in different hotels.
Babe, okay, fine. Can you just give me more time? Just be patient with me. And soon she'll be off the way, trust me.
Wait. What did you just say? Like, I don't get it. I said now. Here and now. Choose. No time, oh. No time to waste with a man you have no future with in this jet age.
Look, babe. Obviously, I choose you. And I'll choose you again and again and again. She was already there before she messed up, and you know that.
Really? So you remember? Or do you know she messed up? Simple. Tell her to live your life.